this video, I'm going to show you how Phil Thompson used the 3-2-6-5 chord progression in his song called My Worship. And I'm going to do it in the key of C. All right, so for the first layer, let me demonstrate it and let's break it down. So I'm in the key of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So I went 2, 3, 6, 5. My word. C major, C, E, G on 3. And then on 2, shup. I played D minor, A, D, F. Okay. And then all of my word, go to 6. That's gonna be A minor, E, A, C, shup. And on 5, we're gonna land on G major, so D, G, B. All right, so let me play that nice and slow. Here is my word, shup. That's 3, 2. All of my word, shup, 6, 5. All right, so now let's go to layer 2. So what did I just do? Here is my word. So on 3, we play C major add 9, C, D, E, G. And then we went shup. And we play a D minor 7th chord. A, C, D, F. We played that on 2. Here is my word. So on the left hand, on 6, we play A and E. On the right hand, we play the A minor chord, E, A, C. Word, shup. And on 5, left hand we play G and D. Right hand we play D, G, A, B. Okay? So, here is my worship, all of my worship. All right, so now let's go to layer 3. Here is my worship, all of my worship. All right, so what did I just do? On 3, on the left hand, I played E and B. Right hand, I played a G suspended 4 chord. So G, C, D, G. Okay? And on 2, on the left hand, on 2, I played D and A. Right hand, I played an F suspended 4 chord. So that's F, B flat, C, F. Okay? And then on 6, I did a leading tone. The leading tone leading into that A minor chord. E, A, C. Left hand is A and E. And then land on that 5, I just kind of broke it up. I broke up that G major add 9. So D, G, B, A. Okay, and then those passing chords that I played, I said 6, 7, 1. Right hand, I just play the E minor 6 on 6. On 7, I just play the perfect fifth with G, so that's G and D, and then 1. 1, I play the G major 6, so that's G and E. And then you can go B flat major, add 9, so F, B flat, C, D. All right. So let's go back to the 2 real quick. Here is my worship. So on that 4 suspended chord, I just kind of went in the middle. 6, sharp 6, 7, 1. Or sharp, so 6, sharp 6, and 7. You can just land on that. So when I went 6 and 5, I went leading tone and I broke up the chord that I was playing. And then broke up the 5 chord. And then I played a 7, 1, 5. Listen, if you want my system, you want to learn how to play keys by ear, click the link in my bio, click the link below this video, and learn my system, a $1 7-day trial for $10 a month. You can also find me on School, where I do a deep dive on coaching every week. If you're really serious and you want to truly invest into what you're doing and really perfect your craft. If you want to master your craft and you truly want to invest and you're serious about what you're doing, and you want to be above average and be the church that you want to become the musician that your church needs and the musician that your pastor wants, find me on School.